AOL CNC cutting machine for textile industry. AOL to 1625 series cutting machine. The whole machine is 3640 mm long, asterisk 2280 mm wide, asterisk 1220 mm high. The actual cutting platform area is 160 cm wide and 250 cm long. The weight is 1100 kilograms and has standard 8-zone vacuum absorption. You can also choose 12/16 zone absorption. It should be noted that the standard configuration does not include a desktop computer because ordinary computers can do the work. The raw material can be equipped with a feeder to achieve continuous cutting. Now is the introduction of the knife. The knife suitable for textile materials has round knife, pneumatic knife. If you are cutting a single layer, the edge can be processed perfectly, and there are multiple sizes of blades to choose from. Cutting multiple layers of textile fabrics is suitable for pneumatic knives. Multi-layer cutting requires a film to fix the material. Get better cutting results. If you need marking, then you need the inkjet marking tool. It can mark the pre-cut paths. Another point is that AOL will configure according to the voltage and socket requirements of each country. All the machines, we will pack them in wooden boxes. It will be packed very well before shipping. If you have any further questions,